Ito, Silver Educational, Touch and Guess. Ito yung brand niya, Ed-Enter, Japan. Ito yung mga details. Yan, cut. Yan. Yan. Yung mga details niya na items. Okay? So, kung ito yung anak nyo, yan. I-guess niya muna, touch nga. Touch and guess. What's this? A duck. So, hanapin niya yung duck here. Puzzle. Oh, ang ganda. Very educational. Yan, yung box. Ayan o. Ganyan siya laruin. Guess what? Papahanap niyo po yung circle. Hanapin niyo sa loob yung circle. Basta circle. Yan. Basta star. Guess. Guess. Oh, wait lang. Hanap. Ikaw nga. Oh, touch. Like this, touch. Hanap mo dito. Hanap mo sa loob. Hanap mo sa loob. No, dyan mo kunin. What's that? Ano hawak mo? Hexagon. Oh, saan yan? Saan yan? Ayan. Diba? No, don't look. Don't look. Just here. Oh, hanapin mo yung star dyan. Where's the star? Kapain mo. Oh, sir, ano yan?
Sister.
Oh. Look for the star. Look for the star. Hanapin mo yung star. There's star sa loob. Oh, hindi man star yan eh. What's that?
Huh?
Ano ba yan? What's that? What's that? What's this?
Fire.
Flower. Oh, look for the flower. Oh. Yung anak ko is magti-3, 2 years old and 10 months. Ayan, hindi mo abot. Go, ayan po. Ang ganda po niya. Ganda ng kahoy. Yan, what's that? Oh, yan. Very, favorite po to ng anak ko. Kasi hindi ko siya sinanay sa YouTube, sa TV, sa gadgets. Kaya, favorite niya ang mga puzzle wooden. Wala na? Oh, put it back again. And look for it.